Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. I'm your English teacher Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. So, today we will be doing describing words, Unit 4 from English practice book. But before that, we have completed the last three chapters and the worksheets, right? So, today we will do describing words and let's see what are the contents. Yes. Match the following pictures with the descriptions. A fat boy, two boys, and happy boys. A tall boy, a thin boy. The words happy, tall, fat, thin, and two tell us about the naming word boy. The words that describe or tell something about a naming word noun are called describing words. Means you have to learn this definition of describing words. What are those? The words that describe or tell something about a naming word noun are called a describing words. For example, we can see a fat boy, two boys, a happy boy, a thin boy, right? The words happy, tall, fat, thin are describing words. Two are describing words for a boy, right? So we will continue with the worksheets, but before that we have to understand what are the describing words. So next one is read the following. Aladdin was a poor boy. He lived in a small hut. One day he found a magic lamp. Aladdin was a poor boy. What kind of boy? Poor. He lived in a small hut. What kind of hut? Small. One day he found a magic lamp. What kind of lamp? Magic. The words poor, small and magic are describing word. Tells us about the nouns Aladdin, hut and lamp. Right. So these are the describing words. Means these are describing the naming words. Okay. Similarly, a powerful genie lived inside the lamp. He had black eyes and a big round belly. He promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. See the words which are in black. These are all describing words. Describing a naming noun. Genie, powerful. Eyes, black. These are all nouns. Okay. Belly, noun, round. 3 wishes, noun. This Aladdin is also noun. 3. Right. So all the encircled words are describing words. So we have to remember that describing words or adjectives tell us what kind of, how many, what color, shape, etc. person, places and things are. Right. So we will do the extract from the animal world dolphin. See what it is. And God of River unit here. My reader underline the describing words. So dolphins are usually gentle, but sometimes they get angry. When they are angry, they make loud clapping noise with their jaws. See, I have underlined the words. That's are the describing words. Right. Gentle, angry, loud clapping noise. These are describing words. Helpful is also describing word. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot in his hand, but he looked sad. Okay. This is also an describing word. Golden, fair, tall. These are the describing words. Okay. Now next one is fill in the blanks with suitable describing words from the aid box. That are Cinderella was a beautiful girl. She had golden hair and blue eyes. She lived with her two stepsisters. They both were fat and ugly. They did not like Cinderella. Even her stepmother was cruel towards her. See, all these words are describing words and we have to insert in this paragraph. Okay, I have already done it. So please go through it very carefully. Next worksheet is read the following stories. Some nouns, naming words had been underlined. Encircle the describing words for each and underlined noun. See, the words are underlined. These are nouns. Before the noun, we have to describe it. So how we will describe that is already done. We have to encircle the word. So first one is once upon a time there lived an old lady. Old is the describing word. She was very poor. Poor is also a Describing word. She led a lonely life. One day she got a little lamb with green eyes. Okay. Eyes and white fur. The kind lady started looking after the lovely lamb. Right. Then one day the man who had red eyes and had a long beard came to old lady's small hut. He told the lonely lady that he was the owner of the lovely lamp. The lady heard this and became sad. Seeing this, the man told her that he had come there only to see if the elderly lady was taking proper care of the small lamp. He did not want to take the innocent lamp back. The old lady thanked the kind man and lived happily thereafter. See, the words which I've circled, that are the describing words. Okay. I hope you have understood it. If not, please go through the exercises and whatever I am explaining, go through the video very carefully. Okay, next one is, see, I have already done. Working with your partner, write at least 5 describing words each for the following. See, I have already done. First one example has been done for you. New bag, torn bag, big bag, small bag, red bag. Next one, grapes. Sweet, sour, black, green, small. These are the describing words before a naming word. Big house, small house, beautiful house, attractive house, dirty house. Long day, short day, good day, bad day, beautiful day. These are all describing words before a naming word. Kind king, cruel king, brave king, noble king, powerful king. Smart neighbor, poor neighbor, rude neighbor, old neighbor, nice neighbor. Okay. So, next worksheet is worksheet 3. The whole worksheet 3 is your homework. Okay. So, please see to it. Following groups of words contain one wrong describing word. Underline that first one has been done for you. Chocolate, soft, tasty, sweet, harmful, slow. We have to cross the wrong describing word. Dress, new, red, clever, costly, neat. Clever is the word. Book, soft, holy, interesting, good, bold. Soft is the word. Movie, exciting, rich, boring, entertaining, long. Rich is the word. Baby, naughty, active, cute, thick, innocent. Thick is the word. Add at least one describing word before the underlined nouns and rewrite the sentences in the space provided. One example is given for you. See, the first one is, the princess was sleeping on her bed. The pretty princess was sleeping on her comfortable bed. Next one, the lady gave the boy some money. See, I have added some describing words. The old lady gave the little boy some money. Next one, the black clouds covered the blue sky. Okay. Next one, the beautiful nightingale sang a lovely song. The cute baby broke the big ink pot. The brave soldier killed the bad enemy. The intelligent student solved the hard question. Each word I have added the describing word. Okay, to give it the meaning to a naming word. Right. So next one is, do it yourself. A rich man once employed a mahout for his pet elephant. See, we have to circle the describing words. The mahout was a cruel man. I have already done it for you and did not love the elephant. One day, he went to a busy market. Riding on the elephant, he felt thirsty and bought coconut to drink it sweet juicy. The underlined words, the encircled words, you can see it clearly, that are rich, pet, love, cruel, busy, drink, thirsty, sweet, juice. Broke on the coconut on the elephant's head. The elephant was very angry. He was clever and thought of teaching the heartless mahout a lesson. On the way back, the elephant saw a big coconut tree laden with green and juicy coconuts. The elephant plucked a huge coconut with its long trunk and gave the mahout mighty blow on the head with the coconut. The words are big, green, juicy, huge, long, mighty are the words. Right. Next one is, you have to do it yourself. I have done it for you all. If you want to write in any other topic, adding the describing words and using the naming words also, you can write it. See, my doll has draw a doll, clown, genie or any other noun of your choice. Okay, so I have written about the dog, so you can draw the picture of the dog and you can write about the dog. I have written it. Okay. My dog has big ears, large eyes and white hair. It is sweet. Its color is white. It protects our house from the thieves. I love my pet dog very much. See, I have used describing words in the paragraph and also a naming word. Right. My doll has a big green eyes and long hair. See, big green, long. She is wearing a white lacy dress and pink shoes. These are all describing words, the words which are underlined. She has a small round purse in her hand. Small and round, right? Okay. So these are the describing words completed. This question is basically for the quiz. This can be done in the offline class, not in the online class. So noun, if I'll give you a name of a noun apple, you have to describe it using it describing words. Like the example is, I am round and red, I am sweet and juicy. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the describing words, and worksheet whole 3 is the homework for you all people. Okay. So I'll end my class, and please take care of yourself, do the assignments on time, and have a very nice day. Okay, and respect your teachers and elders. Bye students, take care all of you.